students. Welcome to today's maths class. This is Rohini from GK Jain High Secondary School, Raipuram. So before watching our video, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so that you will receive all the latest notification of our videos regularly. Thank you. So in my previous video, I have taught you about the subtraction. What is subtraction and what is the sign of subtraction, right? I have taught you the subtraction using an interesting story of a rabbits, right? So 5 rabbits eating carrots, right children? Do you remember? Yes. So today we are going to see the continuation of it, right? So in the last class itself, I have taught you what is subtraction and what is the sign of subtraction and how to do the subtraction using some pictures, right? So what is subtraction? Can you tell me? Yes, subtraction means to take away, right? So what is subtraction? Subtraction means to take away, or you can also use the word go away. Go away, take away, or sometimes we will use the word difference. Okay, so these are all the words. When these are all the words come in any situation we use in our daily life, so that's where subtraction will happen. Understood? So what is the sign for subtraction? Yes, minus is the sign of subtraction. What is the sign of subtraction? Minus is the sign for subtraction, right? So like we are having the plus symbol for addition, so minus is the symbol for subtraction. Whenever we are subtracting a number from another number, what we should use? We should use the symbol minus to subtract any number from any other number. Okay children, understood? Now everyone look at the board. Yes, complete the subtraction fact by circling, right? So we know what is subtraction. One thing is already there, okay, so someone or something is going to take away some of the things from it, right? So the remaining what is left is called as the answer for the subtraction, right children? So here what you have to do is, here already they have given the subtraction fact, right? So 7 minus 3. So what did I told you? What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus is the symbol for subtraction. So already 7 balls is here, right? So we are going to subtract the 3 balls from it. So what will be the answer? So how to find out? The first method we can find out is subtraction by circling. Okay. Now we are going to subtract out of the 7 balls. How many balls we are going to take away? We are going to take away 3 balls from it, right? So how many balls I am going to take away? 3 balls. So I am going to circle the 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So how many is left? Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many is left? 4. So that is the answer, right? So 7 is here already. We are going to take away 3. So that is why I have circled it. So we have to count the remaining. What is the remaining number? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write the answer 4, right? So this method is called subtraction by circling. Okay. Now shall we see another example? Now you are going to tell me the answer. So count how many stars are here. 5 stars are here. So 5, right? Minus is the symbol for subtraction. 2. 5 minus 2. So what we are going to do? We are going to take away 2 stars. So what we should do? We have to circle it first, right? So how many is left? 1, 2, 3. So shall we write it? Yes. So this is how you should do subtraction by circling method. Now shall we see another one? This method complete the subtraction fact by striking. Striking means you have to strike it out so that we will find the answer. Okay children. Now shall we see how many trees are here? 4 minus 3. Minus is the symbol of subtraction, right? So 4 minus 3. So what we have to do? Already 4 3s are here. 3, this number, it is going to go away, right? So what we should do? We should strike the number. Previous method, what we did? Yes, we did it by circling, but this method is striking method. What we are going to do? We are going to strike the 3 trees from it. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now how many is remaining? Only 1 is remaining, right? So write the answer. So what is the answer? 4 minus 3 is 1. Okay. Now listen. The next one. How many balls are here? Here are 9 balls is given. How many balls? 9 balls, right? So how many we are going to subtract? 9 minus 6. Minus is the symbol of subtraction. So 9 we are going to subtract 6 from it. So what we should do? We have to strike out the 6 balls from the 9 balls. Shall we strike out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many is left? 1, 2, 3. So that is the answer, right? Understood? This is the method of subtraction by striking. Now that we have completed subtraction using circles, subtraction by striking, yes. So now we are going to see straight into the number without any pictures or objects. Okay. So that method is called subtraction using lines. We are going to do the subtraction by using lines. Okay. Now shall we look at the number? What is the number? 3 minus 2. So we all know that minus is the symbol for subtraction. 3 minus 2. So first what we have to do? We have to draw the lines for the first number given. Okay, total number, right? So 3 is the total number. So we are going to draw the line. How many lines? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have drawn the lines. Then what we are going to do? We are going to cancel out the 2 from it. Okay, by striking. Okay, so how to strike it? 3 minus 2. That means 3. From 3 we are going to take away 2. So 1, 2. From 3 we have taken out 2 lines. So how many lines left? 1. So what is the answer? 1. It's very easy, right? Shall we do another one? Now you are going to tell me. What is the first step? First we have to see the first number given. Okay, 6. So we are going to draw the 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many lines we should take away from it? 1. 6 minus 1. So we are going to take away 1 line from it. So how many lines left here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the answer? 5 is the answer. Understood? This method is subtraction using lines. The next method we are going to see is subtraction using beads. Okay, already we have done addition using beads, right? Do you remember? The same thing we are going to do, but addition we will add it together, right? We will putting all things together is called as addition. But subtraction means what? Subtraction means to take away, right? Now shall we see the sum? So first, subtraction using beads, what we have to do? We have to look at the first number, that is the maximum number, right? So we are going to draw the beads for that. So in the previous sum what we did? We subtracted using lines. So we draw the lines. Now we are going to draw the beads. So 5 is the number. How many beads we should draw? 5 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads we should draw first. How many beads we should subtract from it? 5 minus 1. So 1 beads we have to subtract. Shall we cancel it out? So we cancel it out. 1 beads. So how many beads is remaining here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the answer? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Right? So shall we see the next one? Now we are going to answer to this. Okay. So what is the bigger number here? 9. Right? So how many beads we should draw now? 9 beads. Shall we draw it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So we have drawn 9 beads. Now how many beads we should subtract from 9? 9 minus 4. That means we have to subtract 4 beads. So shall we cancel? 1, 2, 3, 4. We cancelled it out. Now how many beads is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the answer? 5 is the answer. So this is how you should subtract using beads. Okay children, understood? Thank you students for watching my video. Hope you understand the concepts of subtraction by circling, striking and subtraction using lines and beads, right? So now we have finished our subtraction. We will come out with another topic in our next video. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you.